This Canvas page that I created contains a table. However, the table is missing a caption and I did not indicate the header. To fix these issues, all I do is click on the Pope Tech logo at the bottom of the page. This will launch the interface, which will show me the number of errors and alerts that are visible in this page that I created. I'm going to focus on the section called Tables and Lists for this particular video. To expand, just simply click on Tables and Lists, and let's take a look at the Layout table. This option allows me to select whether I want the first row to be the header or the first column to be the header. I'm going to select the first row to be the header. Then I'm going to select my caption for this table. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click on Apply, and you'll see the changes done on the left side of your screen.